Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, I am Salman and this is Popet Talks. Have you noticed these yellowing headlamps on old cars? In this episode of Anak Gajah, we'll be looking at home solutions to restoring these yellowing headlamps on my 2007 Toyota Innova. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like to this channel. Come on, down there. Subscribe now. Hey guys, this is the 07 Innova that we have been working on for a couple of videos now. Today we'll be looking at this foggy yellow headlamps. This and this. It's a 13 also year old car, so a bit of fogging is expected. Normally these fogs are due to the UV rays from the sun oxidizing the plastic. Well, in the olden days they used to use glass, hardened glass. This is plastic. Well, so a bit of oxidization is expected there. For our video today, we'll be requiring some baking powder and a tube of Colgate toothpaste. This is a Malaysian special Kayu Sugi brand. So I have the baking powder here. Let's put some toothpaste in there. Oh my god, it looks like a turd. Yep. Right. So let's get mixing. Turd. If you have gloves, you can put it on. I don't have one, so sure. Right. So before you start, you gotta clean up the headlights. Remove any dust or debris or small rocks that might be there before you apply our mixture. That should be okay, I guess. A little bit of here onto the sides. So next is to apply our mixture. Just go in circles until you cover the entire section of the light. You don't want to get this mixture on. You don't want to get the mixture onto the car's paint. You might damage it. Well, the toothpaste does have a very strong smell. Get it all around the edges, but be careful, you don't want to touch the paint, like I said. It's almost finished. Right, that's a bit of touch here. Alright, so now we have to spread this mixture evenly across the surface. If you have a brush or a sponge, you can use that. I have a Dremel at home, so I'll be using this today. Right, so let it soak and we'll come back in the afternoon and have a look. Alright, so our mixture has been sitting for a couple of hours already. Let's wipe it off and see how it turned out to be. So this is a wet cloth, and you just have to wipe out the remaining bits. Lastly, just wipe off the water with a dry piece of cloth. And there we have it. If you don't get similar results, just repeat the steps until you get the final result like you wanted. The wet cloth